Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton, and this week we've got something a little bit different, but it is something we sell quite a few of. Now, I had it made and we sell them, but I've never heard anything back to say that they work well or they don't work well or they have problem fitting them or anything. We just sell them and people fit them. And what it is, it's just a cam plate. Now, some of you think it's just any old cam plate that goes in an AMC gearbox. Well, it's not. This one is reversible. It's not a reversed cam plate, it's reversible. Now apparently the idea behind this cam plate is that you can have your gear lever flipped over and you can put this in a certain way and you can still retain the gear change that you like to use. Likewise, if you fit a linkage, you can then flip it again another way and get the gear change you like to use. This would also work on a Mark III if you wanted to do something on the left hand side of a Mark III where you wanted a different gear change pattern, or if you had a racer that you've managed to convert to a left hand gear change, then this could help you out of the problem you got with the gear change pattern that you're used to using. Now, don't ask me which way it goes for any configuration, because I haven't got a clue, but we have got the piece of paper showing which way it would fit with the linkage or without linkage, which is on the drawing. But from the look of it, it's more useful than just what it says on the drawing, because the other bikes come along later. Now, you obviously got the actual spindle itself. What I would suggest to anyone fitting this is that they do a mock-up first and figure out where they need it to be, so that when they operate the pedal, this moves in the right direction before they press this in, because you could press it in on the wrong side. Now, these are not new old stock, these are made from new, very well made, and we do sell a fair few of them. The part number we've got there for it as well. So if you've got a race bike or you've got a road bike with rear sets and a linkage, or just where you've spun the gear lever over and you're not happy with the gear change, it could be worth considering one of these. But I'll let you figure out how to fit it and which way it's going to go to sort of give you the gear change you need. Any other queries? Thanks very much. And if you want to get in touch with us, best via email, but you can ring myself and Simon. Thank you very much.